That's what you didn't know. It's Panda. Salut les morus, it's the last day. It's so sad. Why is it over? Actually, it's pretty cool that it's over because
Everybody's a bit tired.
not just tired. Like every time there is Major Lazer, it was the same 2 years ago. You just get sick. Everyone's dancing so much. That's loud. Everyone's dancing so much. The whole dust of the floor goes up. The camera is full of dust. It's disgusting. I don't know if I'm gonna clean that, but it's gonna be even more disgusting after because today we're here for the color party, and that's gonna be pretty epic. We're not missing that someone in there. I'm also wearing this t-shirt today. Might go get some signatures from random people, but more than anything, full of colors. It's gonna be beautiful. It's not gonna be washable later, but that's all fine. How much money do you still have on your card?
8,000.
8,000. I think I still have something like 15,000, so that's a lot. So we have two choices. Let's say three choices.
10 beers for me.
Yeah, it's like, do we get wasted? Do we become fat? Or do we go get back our money in the end? Because you can do that, guys. I don't know if you can do it with the bracelet. I'm gonna check that for you afterwards. But yeah, you can actually go get the money that is on your card. So just do that and follow us to the color party. It's gonna be epic.
Illuminates our skin.
Ready to throw some colors! Thank you, Schwarzkopf, for washing our hair with something that is not shampoo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That doesn't taste very good. Can I have some purple? Yeah! I don't think our lungs are gonna be colored the right way though. I have the smartest guy of the festival with me today.
I was here last year.
Oh, okay, good. Excuse me, guys. You have something here.
Yeah, where?
Everywhere. Let's go prank Trevor. Trevor, who was the first artist to play on the main stage of Sziget this year?
Pink.
You win. The big game is to go get the people that didn't go inside so they didn't want to get dirty and to just give them a hug. Don't do it, that's mean, that's mean. That's mean. See, I give good ideas, but then I stop it because I'm afraid that he will do it. You know what this beer tastes like?
What do they have?
Pink. Not the singer, no. Don't get me wrong, I meant the color. That's creepy, you guys have a creepy mind. Look, that dust is not going away. Since the beginning of the festival, we've been sneezing black. I don't even want to know how colorful the next sneeze is gonna be. It's gonna be bad. Tell me in the comments below what color was your first sneeze in the evening after the color party. I kind of want to know. I know it's weird, but it's interesting. Science. But yeah, some of these people, they do have the face painted in a lot of different colors and it looks so good. They look amazing. Is it just because I'm ugly from the start? Or why do I look like the poop emoji for some reason? Did they fake it? Are they fakers? He will discover you. That's so disgusting. You know what? I think it's time for me to try the tissue. I don't know if I'm gonna show you, but I just want to see this experiment. That's disgusting. Look how white my teeth look like now. Trying to make the YouTube logo. Nope. Sorry, excuse me, I don't want to ruin your t-shirt. Alright, let's get out of the crowd. We have to go get the tent. We have to go put it somewhere safe so we can just enjoy the rest of the night. I'll take a shower later, I promise. Actually, Trevor and I are probably going to destroy the shower of the flat because we live in the same place. We have 2 showers, but thanks to one contractor, we only have one working. And that's so annoying. Janos, this is for you. Please fix our fucking shower. Janos! Midginals! Midginals! Everyone is tired at the festival. Everyone wants to stop. Because look at that. I understand it's a chill music. But everyone's sitting. I hope they don't do that for the end show. The fireworks. And like Katy Perry said, baby, you're a firework. If you find Germany before I find France, you win. And I give you a free drink. Okay, if you find France before I find France, I give you 2 drinks. France! Got it. I would have lost all the money. By the way, I told you it was 15,000. No, I actually arrived to this one last night in which I don't even want to drink with 17,000. That's way too much. I'm not gonna spend all of that. Or will I? So, because we don't just give you tips for you to follow, we actually believe in them. We are now packing the tent before the end show, before the fireworks. It's still daylight. We are gonna go get some food after this, but it's time. And Trevor is doing the job. And I'm pretending I'm helping, but I'm just filming.
Sziasztok! Oh wait, can you see what's on the... Oh! Can you see what's on the hat? What do we say to sing it? Happy birthday to you, Mr. President! Hey, do you want to see some... You want to see something cool? Oh, that's breaking my bones. No, ready?
Guys, I'm really sorry. You know I love you, and you know I didn't want to hide anything from you yesterday. I just didn't know where the club was.
I kind of like the mustache.
Yeah, no one does. No one does.
do.
It's just because of the makeup. So yeah, yesterday, that's why I didn't tell you where it was. But he's taking me there now, and I'm gonna tell you where it is. Okay, I actually do not know where we are. There are toilets for sure, but I don't know if it's here. He's trying. Are you sure it's here? Just try any. That one's open.
No.
Oh, that's not that
That
one.
one there.
Is that one there?
Yeah, you want to go for that one there. That's a good one.
Are you sure?
Oh, sure, mate.
It's gone. It's gone. They took it away. They took it away. It's a toilet now. I really meant to tell you. This guy also really meant to tell you. But it's a toilet now. It's like on Harry Potter. The more you want to find it, the less you find it. Wingardium Leviosa. Now, I have you under my power. You have to like this vlog. And then you have to subscribe. And then you have to like every single vlog, every single video that I'm gonna post from now on. If you had 3 last words, describe the week you just passed, what would they be?
Come back again.
That is actually 3. Good job. What do we say to the people for the rest of the night? Yo is so good.
Budapest, get your hands up! Lights up, lights down, lights up, lights down, lights up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
This song is for my beautiful girlfriend Herta. That's for you. I wish you were here tonight.
She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk?
Can you feel the fireworks coming? They're gonna come. Not yet.
Of the person next to you. Show some love and appreciation.
I should give some love and appreciation. I just farted though, I'm sorry. No! We're missing it!
editing, a lot of thinking of what should I put in the vlog. But it was all about love, all about sharing. And see you next year!
Thank you, Siget Festival! You guys were
Thank you, Siget
mesmerizing!
Festival.
We can't wait to be
Thank
back
you.
next year! Peace!